ripple, your arms shifting around. Get yourself in a relaxed mode. This is our very first Qigong class together, and I'm going to teach the way, almost like I'm doing it today, rotating different moves, rotating different postures for addressing that day's issue, or most people would like to address. And as you can see, we're not going to ask you to memorize specific moves or sets in sequences, and you don't need to actually have any kind of prior foundation either, because this class, I want to really use it for healing and really use it to train you, connect your mind with your body, okay? Connect your spirit with your body. So gradually, you learn to listen to what your body is truly telling you. The things you're doing is not expert's opinion, is not what's the latest fad, is what your body really wanted, okay? And then also the moves, you don't need to do it to this perfect posture to show how advanced or accomplished you are, but really the doing it is to get the qi moving, get the qi to help you correcting and addressing whatever blockages, whatever issues you're dealing with. So it's more shifting your brainwave. So your own mind is not chattering, but rather you are tuned in and gazed inward. And that way, whatever your body's needs or signals it sent you, you hear it, you do the correction right there and then, okay? And same time, while you're doing it, our body and emotions, body and mental state are completely connected. So maybe some of the things you are struggling with emotionally or even mentally, when the qi flows in a very balanced way, some of those things that make you so frustrated, maybe it's okay to let it pass now. Some of the things that makes you so sad, and maybe you say, well, it's part of the life. It's no good or bad. It's simply something we can experience. Even though we cannot change what's out there in the world, you'll always have stress in work. You'll always have people in your family that irritates you to no end. But with that little deeper and a deeper breath, with that ability to shift your brainwaves to alpha, even delta waves, now you can still focus and be attentive, but you don't have to be swept around by the outside situation. So that's how I would like to run the Qigong class, okay? We have no goal, nothing to achieve, nothing to show off, nothing to approve to other people. Rather, we're really using this time to read yourself, to connect with yourself at all levels. And that way, whatever comes up, either we can help you to dress it together as a healing circle, or maybe some of the ideas and feelings and sensations you've never had before gave you some clue how to help your body, how to help your emotions, how to help your mental state, okay? So the true Qigong really happened when you're in that Qi state. You're inwardly very calm, but very attentive, okay? And very focused, but outwardly you're very relaxed. And if you're doing this, you're in a stressed situation. Sure, you can run away faster to save your life, but that's no way to go through life. Always in that high, panicking, vibrating like there's a crisis, okay, right in front of you. All right, so Qigong.